Hey, what's up? This is me Ray and welcome back to this very exciting After Effects tutorial. Today we are gonna create a modern slideshow animation inside of After Effects. So let's take a look what we will create today. Now before we start, let me tell you something. We are gonna start a new series in which we will be creating modern slideshow animations like this. So make sure you have subscribed to the channel and press that bell icon so you will get notified whenever I will post a new video. And if you want to download the project file of this animation, so link is in the description so you can download from there. And now let's straight jump into After Effects and get started. Let's go. What are you waiting for? Let's go. Alright guys, here we are in After Effects and let's start by creating a new composition. First of all, I will go over here and click on this create new composition icon to create a new composition, and I will rename it to scene _01. Width and height is 1920 by 1080, 30 fps and 7 seconds long. Then hit OK. After that, I will create another composition and rename it to media _01. Width and height is same as our previous composition, 30 fps and 7 seconds long. Then hit OK. Perfect. After that, we have this video right over here, so you can use any image or any video. I'm gonna use this video and I will drag and drop this video right over here in the media comp. After that, I will go back to our scene composition. After that, I will select this rectangle tool and double click on that, so this shape layer will be created in our composition. So after that, we will rename it to matte, because we are gonna use this shape layer as a matte for our video. After that, I will drag and drop this media comp right over here and go to this track matte option and change the track matte to this matte layer. But if you are using the older version of After Effects, here is how you will do that in the older version. Right now I'm in the older version of After Effects, so drag and drop your media comp right over here and make sure your matte layer is on the top, and go to this track matte option and change the track matte to alpha matte like this. Now let's get back to our newer version of After Effects. Now I'm in the newer version of After Effects. Now select this shape layer and press P to open the position properties and click on the stopwatch icon to add a keyframe. And now go at the very beginning of your animation and change the position of this track matte like so right over here. And then go at 2 seconds and change this position to around 1920 like this, and this is the half of our composition. After that, select this media comp and press P for position and go at 1 second and add a keyframe by clicking on the stopwatch icon and go at 2 seconds and change the position of our media comp like this and place it right over here. After that, again take this rectangle tool and draw a shape like so, and go to this rectangle path 1 and click on this link option to unlink the properties of this shape and change the properties like so, 960 and 1080 like this. After that, align it to the left side like this and then align it into the middle of the composition like this. Now we want to move our anchor point into the middle of our shape, so hold Ctrl on your keyboard and double click on this pan behind tool, so our anchor point will be moved in the center. After that, rename it to shape like this and change its color to something around this black color like this. Perfect. Now select this shape layer and press P for a position and go at 2 seconds and add a keyframe at the position and go back at 1 second and move your shape right over here. After that, select all the keyframes, right click keyframe assistant and make them easy ease. Then go into graph editor, and if your graph is not looks like this, so right click and make sure you are working at the speed graph, not the value graph. Then make your graph like this, and after that make your graph something like this. Now let's ramp preview this. And this is our animation looks like so far. Now take the type tool and type in the text that you want, but before we type our text, go over here and turn on this title action save, then type the text that you want. I'm gonna type modern. For the font, I'm gonna use this Bebas new bold. So you can download this font from the link in the description. For the size, I'm gonna set it 160 and place it right over here like this. Now select this text, go to edit, duplicate and place it right over here like this and change it to slideshow. Now again select this text, go to edit, duplicate and place it right over here and change the font and change the text animation like this and select all and align them like this. After that again take the type tool and type in the text that you want. I'm gonna type this. So guys, if you want more videos like this, so please hit the like button on this video and that can motivate to make more videos like this, and place it right over here like this and align them like this. Perfect. Now select this text and go to edit, duplicate and place it right over here and double click to change the font. I'm gonna type subscribe like this and change its weight to bold, size to around 72 like this. Now again take the type tool, but this time I'm gonna take this vertical. So to select it, simply hold on this tool and you will have this vertical type tool, and select it and type in the text that you want. I'm gonna type creative. For the font, I'm gonna use that same Babus New and change its size like this and align it into the center like this. Perfect. Now it's time to animate or text. Now select all the text and place it at 2 seconds like this. Select these 4 text and press P to open the position properties and press Shift plus T to open the opacity properties like this, and add a keyframe by clicking on the stopwatch icon of position and opacity like this. Then go back at 2 seconds and change the Y position like this right over here and change the opacity to 0%. Then go at 4 seconds and change the X position like this and select all the keyframes, right click, keyframe assistant and make them easy ease. Then go to graph editor and change the graph like this. Perfect. After that press U on your keyboard so all the keyframes will be hide, and after that select this creative text, go to properties, go to animate and add opacity, and in this animator 1 add property position, go to this range selector 1 and change the offset to -100 and go at the very beginning of this text and add a keyframe. Then go at 3 seconds and change it to 100%. After that go to advanced, change the shape to ramp up, ease high to -60%, ease low to 40% and change the position to around 1000 and opacity to 0%. Then select all the keyframes, right click, keyframe assistant, make them easy ease and make your graph like this. Perfect. After that select all the text and displace them by 2 frames like this. 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2. Perfect, like this. And let's ramp preview or animation. Perfect. After that we have this light leak animation. Drag and drop into your timeline and change its blending mode to add, and this is our final slideshow will look like. So you can make as many slides as you want by creating animations like this. So that's it for today guys. I hope you have learned something new in this tutorial, and if you want more tutorials like this, so let me know in the comment down below and I will make more tutorials like this for you. And if you are new to the channel, make sure you have subscribed to the channel and press that bell icon, and I will see you in the next video. Till then, keep practicing, keep growing. Bye.